When I was younger, I was taller. For some strange reason, ngayon, nung sumat ako, 5'8". Siguro yung weight na dinala ko for how many years, binaba yung weight, yung height ko. So, gano'n, 260 pounds ang inabot ko. So, sa amin, napakalaki yung bagay na nangyari na ito. No? So, really, century, thank you very much for challenging us. And thank you for having us with you. Maraming salamat.
It was fun kasi nag-usap kami ni Aga. The last project we did together, no, when we were younger, may ginawa tayong movie before, yung sa Regal.
Sa Regal, 80s yun, man.
Oh, 80s yun.
Oo. Mga those days natin pa yun. Kasi nag-prime kami, 90s talaga yung prime namin. Yung prime namin, nag-iwalay na kami yan eh. Parang ganun ang story niya, di ba? May Richard Gomez niya, pero ka tall, dark, and handsome. Yan, di ba? Honky. Ako. Yun na. Yeah.
Two different brands.
Di ba na? Two different brands.
Yes, two different brands of hands.
And then now together in one brand.
Yon, don't you love that? You guys, to keep going. Because how long was that, like 10 months?
About almost 10
About
months,
almost
yeah.
10 months.
You know what was difficult was starting it.
Oh, yes.
No? You know, we're not teenagers anymore. So hindi na kami teenagers. Now we're a little older than teenagers. So when the challenge came in, sabi namin, kaya ba natin to? And then if you keep on watching IG, if you keep on watching informations, the older you get, the more fit you have to be.
Yes.
Correct?
That's true.
Yes.
That's absolutely
Eating the right
true.
food, doing the proper exercises, keeping an active lifestyle is very important to longevity. Kasi yun naman yung gusto namin ni Aga eh. Di ba? Gusto namin makita pa natin yung... Hindi, gusto ko makita lumaki ka anak natin.
Yon, that's right. Yeah, that's what they say, right? Like, will you... Like, I saw a quote online that said, you would die for the people that you love, right? But will you live for them?
Or you have to.
Right? Will you live for them?
Tsaka, siguro sa lahat, madami makaka-relate ito na mga overweight or struggling sa mga ganyan. It was difficult. Parang all these years, I was always in hiding. I would have been more busier if not for my weight. I hit 260, which ang dapat kong weight is 170. So now I'm down to 200. So I have 30 more to go. And sinabi nga namin, as a matter of fact, sabi ko kay Goma, sometimes nakaka-frustrate, parang sayang, ang ganda sana nito. Kung labas natin din, nakahugad tayo. Diba? Pero sabi namin, let's save that for next year.
Give us a little more time para lumabas natin pa sideways. Pababa pa lang eh.
Kumukunti na eh.
Oo.
Diba? Tsaka iba rin mga size ng pantalon natin. Pag nakita nyo. Pero nakakatawa talaga, you guys, just sa lahat ng mga tao na sa labas dito, sa loob, there's no deadline. You just gotta do it really and learn about it and then mahirap magtago sa buhay dahil sa katawan natin. Yung disabilities, marami pa rin itong mahilig ng fat shape sa atin. But, well, we deserve it. Pinabayaan natin ang katawan natin. But I'm just happy that we're here now. We're halfway there. Sabi nga, Gomes, di ba? We're getting there.
We're getting
there. We're getting there. So
But more than anything, Aga, we've always been active.
Yes.
No?
I was just about to ask, actually.
Aga's
Yes.
very much into cycling. He bikes a lot. I play a lot of badminton. I still do my fencing thing. Except that this was really a challenge to lose more weight. Kasi I reached the point na, yung mga 36 ko ng pantalon, pinamigay ko na eh. Oh, hindi
Nice to get them back.
Because lumaki na ako eh. Naging 38. Sabi ko, 38, bigat na nito. And then reach a point na, tumitingin na ako sa 39, 40.
Inabot ko yung Gomes.
40 ko. Teka, 40. Buti lang dumating yung century. Kasi today, 34 sinusuot ko eh.
Yes!
Diba? Good yun eh.
May proof yan. When she saw me lost weight, sabi niya, please don't gain weight again. Oo. Sabi niya, alam mo, gwapo ka. Mas gwapo ka ngayon.
Oh.
Kulang pa yan. Di pa lumalabas yung tunay ko, gwapuhan ko naman. Kaya kung hindi pa, a little more. But for me, more than looking good, it's really feeling better. Diba? Feeling better, feeling healthier, stronger. Yeah.
Yes.
Yun, I'm almost 50. Ganito ka na.
Yeah.
I'm almost there.
Almost 50 na. Tama, 44 ako.
No, but really, I'm over 50. I'm over 50. But one day I realized that at this age, you really have to work out more.
Yes.
You have to get your muscles up. And again, it feels better. It feels stronger.
It does, right? So do you guys have any advice for you stay the course in your fitness journeys?
Sa akin, I think it's really just enough of that hiding, enough of those promises that, oh, next year we start doing it. Kumbaga now, parang ngayon, sinasabi, it's, pag-Christmas na, sasabihin na naman natin, palalagpasin ko ng Christmas, January, I'll start again, di ba? No, just do it now. Start now.
Yeah, why wait?
Tama na yung Christmas, bibili mo na naman lahat. Ganun. It's a lifestyle really. It's a really change of lifestyle. And I'm happy that my wife also was very supportive. And siya yung gentle reminder ko always na talaga medyo nagkaroon ako ng eating disorder for a while. Talagang binge ako, binge. So minsan hanggang ngayon lumalabas pa rin yun. And she would stop me. Sinasabi na, tama na yan, di ba? Parang alam mo na yung pinanggalingan mo. Huwag ka na bumalik din doon, di ba? Ang sinasabi ko naman, nakita mo naman ako naman, di ba? Nung tayo mga bata pa.
Yun.
Pag nakita mo ulit siya,